Good morning everyone, this is Edward De Vera and we're going to solve the area between two curves in Calculus 1. And we are given the problem to find the area of the region bounded by the graph of y is equals to x squared plus e and y is equals to negative x, where x is equals to 0 and x equals to 1. First, to solve the problem, let's do a graph for the given functions yx squared plus 3 and y is equals to negative x. And let's do it. And first, we were going to do the equation for the x squared plus 3, which is parabola. Kasi kapag nakakita tayo ng x squared, ay it means gagawa tayo ng isang parabola. At ito po ay makikita between quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. And nag-increase tayo ng tatlo sa y, kaya nandito siya makikita sa pataas ng 3. And then so, the next function is y is equals to negative x. It means this is a linear graph. At makikita naman yung graph na ito sa between quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Ayan. It means, itong graph na ito ay negative x. Then, ito po is y is equals to x squared plus 3. And this is a function also. To find the area of the region bounded between two graphs, first, kagaya na sa given, x is equals to 0. And dito po siya matatapuan. And then, ano po tayo sideways into 1. Ayan. It means dito po natin titingnan ito yung kinakailangan natin solve na area. Yung area po nitong given na dalawang functions. Ayan. To solve the problem, let's do the definite integration of this problem. First, the formula, let's write it. The area of a definite integral of a and b of the f of x minus g of x and d of x. Ayan, and let's substitute the given problem first. The area of the a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. And our f of x, of course, is the first function. Y is equals to x squared plus 3 minus negative x. And d of x. After this, nakasulat na po yung ating equation. And then so, kinakailangan po natin i-write yung ating problem to simplify. And after this is, integrate na po natin siya. And the definite integral of x squared plus 3. And may dalawa po siyang negative. Negative times negative is equals to positive x. Ayan. Medyo nasisimplify na po natin yung ating area. At kinakailangan po natin integrate. And then so, kapag in-integrate na po natin, gagamitan po natin siya ng power rule. At magkakampo sa ganitong answer. X cube plus over 3. Kasi kapag ginamit po natin yung integration dito sa x squared, and ano po natin, ina-add po natin yung, nag-add po tayo ng 1 dito sa power and then over n plus 1. Kaya naging x cube over 3 plus and plus 3x plus, ganun din po dito. Mag-add po ulit tayo ng isa using the power rule sa integration x n plus 1 over n plus 1. And kaya magkakaroon po tayo ng answer na x squared over 2 and 0 and 1. Then after po nito, palitan po natin yung value ng x ng 1. Kaya gawin po natin itong 1 cube over 3 plus 3 times 1 plus 1 squared over 2. And then, let's solve it. 1 cube is equals to 1 over 3 plus 3 and 1 plus 1 over 2. Para masolve po natin ito, kinakailangan din po natin maging katulad yung denominator nito tatlong number. At ang same denominator po nito is, dahil may 3 and 2, ang possible po dito ay 6. And then 2 plus 18 plus 2. Ayan, para po masolve po natin yung given equation at magkakaroon po tayo ng final na answer na 23 and 2 plus 8 plus 3 is 23 over 6 square unit and square unit. And this is the final answer for our equation. At ito po yung area dito sa ating given equation. Ayan, ang area po muli is 23 over 6 square unit. And this is the area between two curves and how to solve it. Thank you very much and God bless.